Namaskar, Namaskar, Pooja Borwa from Pooja by Jayashree. Quickly requesting all of you to go live. I am a little late because of some reason. And here we go, pinning my number. Hello, Swapna ma'am. Surprise for you today. Lots of things for you today, actually. Usha Rani ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Quickly requesting all of you to join us so that we can start the live. फटाफट से I'm a little late, sorry for that. Today is my dad's birthday, so we were out the whole day. We went to Khwalkusi, then we hello Mahima, thank you so much for joining. आप लोग को रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ क्विकली ज्वाइन करिए. और कौन कौन हमें देख रहे हैं? अगर आप पहली बार हमें देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज बताइएगा कहां से हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं आप लोग. मैं क्विकली बस नोटिफाई कर देती हूँ हमारे ब्रॉडकास्ट में. गिव मी वन क्विक मोमेंट. ओके, 5 मिनट हम लोग वेट करते हैं सो दैट द अदर्स कैन ज्वाइन very quickly. Thank you Konika, thank you for joining. Who all have joined us, please say hi, hello. In case I miss your comment. કેમ છો નકો? फटाफट से ज्वाइन करिए. टुडे आज एकदम बहुत सारा सरप्राइज है, लेकिन मिस करेंगे आप लोग अगर आज ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो. Okay. Hi Amrit, thank you so much for joining. Okay, so आज हम लोग लाए हैं आपके लिए. पहले क्या क्या है आइटम्स वो बोल देती हूँ. मेखेला एंड ब्लाउज का सेट है, एक सादौर एंड ब्लाउज का सेट है, ब्लाउज पीसेस है, कुछ है. बजट फ्रेंडली मेखेला सादौर का रेंज है. शीलू मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. A very warm welcome. I think you're watching Pooja by Jayashree on Instagram live for the first time. Otherwise you watch recorded live, I think. But you are watching this for the first time. Very grateful. मैं आज इंडियन ऑलिव्स खा रही थी तो वो हटा देती हूँ. ओके, केम सो नको. And you know why? राइट अभी कौन सा दिखाऊं? एरी का, अरुणाचल का रैप अराउंड स्कर्ट है हमारे पास, 1 पीस एक्सक्लूसिव, completely hand woven, beautiful it is in Eri silk. Swapna ma'am, if you're watching, then this is going to be your favorite. पहले हम शुरू करते हैं ये गाले से. दिस इज द गाले. आई नो लाइट थोड़ी सी कम थी. कंप्लीटली हैंड वोवन इन अहिंसा सिल्क. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. दिस इज द मोटिव. Even I don't have, so it's okay. This can be used otherwise also. This is the fabric and this is going to be the gale. Okay, ये दोनों end पे this is how it's going to come. I hope I can. This is a wrap around as it is आपके पास जाएगा. This is how it is worn. So, मैं ये उठा के आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is a very very nice, completely hand woven. आप लोग देख सकते हैं. This is a very very nice dress. So this is how it's going to be. Super smart. Okay. This is in Ahimsa silk by Ahimsa silk. Completely hand woven. It's beautiful. I will show you a close up of the motif, how it's done. This is the motif. Beautifully hand woven. Completely very very nicely hand woven. I think you can use it as a. I have multiple pieces of this. So this you cannot use as anything else. I think you can use it as a dupatta. Yes, you can use it as a dupatta also like this if you want. Okay, this is how it will be. This is how it will be, but it will be short. It's I feel it's a little short for me because I'm 5'6" probably. But this is the fabric. It's a beautiful, 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 super duper fabric in Ahimsa silk. Ahimsa silk में है ये. And this is for 5,500. 5500. 5500 में अहिंसा सिल्क का गाले. दिस इज अ रैप अराउंड स्कर्ट. यू कैन वेयर इट विद अ टॉप, यू कैन वेयर इट विद अ ब्लाउज एंड अ ब्लाउज मतलब अ टॉप. बेसिकली यू कैन वेयर इट विद अ स्कीवी. इट्स अ वर्सेटाइल फैब्रिक. You can wrap around the skirt, and if you want to take a scarf or something, you can wear it with a blouse also, or you can wear it with, best is you can wear it with a top. Okay, a wraparound skirt 5500, free shipping all over Bharat. This is number 1. Second, I have a mekhela sador in लाल एरी. लाल एरी में मेरे पास, श्वेता मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. लाल एरी में मेरे पास मेखेला सदर है. पूरा का पूरा आप लोग देख सकते हैं मुगा घीचा का काम किया गया है. मुगा घीचा का काम किया गया है. दिस इज योर मेखेला. इसका विड्थ होगा नाइस. नो टुडे एरी सिल्क आई हैव क्वाइट अ फ्यू एरी सिल्क, तसर सिल्क्स. सो सब आपकी मर्जी से पहले पहले जो आज तक नहीं दिखाया वो सब दिखा रहे हैं. दिस इज 37 विद आएगा. दिस इज योर मेखेला pretty long one. This is your mekhela. मेखेला का काम देख लीजिए. This is your mekhela, and I will show you the sador. Give me one quick moment. I'll show the sador. Lovely sador it is. Shraddha ma'am, namaste. Thank you for joining. This is your blouse piece. This is your blouse piece. Close up दिखा रही हूँ आप सबको so that you can see. Woven मुगा घिचा का काम है, woven border है. This is your sador. Super duper classy. Tassels बने हुए हैं. Borders are woven, completely hand woven. And this is your pallu ka kaam. Body mein you have this beautiful hand woven star bootas. Okay, so this is how your sador will look. This is your sador. लाल एरी की चीजें, स्वप्ना मैम is watching us, and लाल एरी की चीजें कितनी 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 सुंदर हैं, आप लोग खुद ही देख लीजिए. ओके, सो इसका प्राइस है 11,700 रुपीज. 11,700. इसका प्राइस इसका प्राइस आज डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस है. दीज आर सोल्ड फॉर 13,500 बट दिस इज ऑन डिस्काउंट टुडे. 11,700 पे है सिर्फ. 11,700. एक हैंड स्पन एरी सबको चाहिए होता है. हाय पूजा दी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हैंड स्पन एरी है मेरे पास. हैंड स्पन यार्न से अहिंसा सिल्क है. दिस इज कोर्स देन द नॉर्मल मिल स्पन यार्न से बना हुआ अहिंसा सिल्क साड़ी एंड अ लिटिल हेवियर. एंड पूरा का पूरा इसमें कोई जैकेट कार्ड यूज नहीं होता. आप लोगों को मैं दिखा देती हूँ. ये पूरा का पूरा साड़ी ही एक्स्ट्रा वेफ्ट टेक्निक से बनाया गया है. इट विल कम विथ अ सिल्क मार्क. दिस इज योर साड़ी. रेड बूटास है इसमें एंड दिस इज अ ब्लैक वोवन बॉर्डर. दिस इज द पल्लू एंड पूरे बॉडी में आपका बूटास हैं ऐसे. ये सब प्रोडक्शन बंद ही बोल सकते हैं आप. ऑलमोस्ट बंद हो जाएगा बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट नाउ टू रियली स्पिन इट विद द हैंड. लेबर्स भी कम हो गए हैं, वीवर्स भी इसके कम हो गए हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज द few of the productions have already stopped. इसमें कोई नेचुरल डाई नहीं करना चाहता बिकॉज इट इज वेरी वेरी लेबर इंटेंसिव वर्क. लेकिन इसमें रिटर्न्स जो है, जो चार्जेस हैं, इसमें कम आते हैं. इसी के लिए ये भक्ति मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. दिस इज द साड़ी. दिस इज फॉर 8800. 8800 का है. 8,800. In case you like anything, just give us a message on 7595959 This is your blouse piece. Natural virgin color of Ahimsa silk. This is okay. 8800. Just give me one quick moment. ओके, रेनू मैम नमस्ते, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. एक मेरे पास एकदम ऑथेंटिक बहुत ही अच्छा चीज है, लेकिन This is only for the people who will understand this. In the wedding, thank you. Thank you so much. This is an एंडी सादौर, एरी सादौर, अहिंसा सिल्क शॉल. ये रहा. ये सादौर मतलब मेखला सादौर वाला सादौर नहीं है. एंडी सादौर हम लोग बोलते हैं जो ओढ़ते हैं. ये एक शॉल है एंड ये इतना सुंदर है. दिस इज ऑथेंटिक अरुणाचल एरी बाय एरी सिल्क. अरुणाचली डिजाइन में वीव किया गया है. ये जो लोग इसकी अहमियत समझते हैं बस उनके लिए दिस इज लाइक हेवनली. Why you can't? Acha, you can't hear me. This is the Ahimsa silk by Ahimsa silk. This is the design. This is the design. मैं आपको कितना सुंदर से हैंड वीव किया गया देख लीजिए. This is your shawl, a proper full size shawl. This is कितना बड़ा है देख लीजिए. मैं आपको इसका पन्ना अगर दिखाऊं, ये बहुत ही लंबा है. वेरी वेरी लंबा. दिस इज इसका पन्ना दिखाऊं तो फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड आई एम 5'6", तो दिस विल बी अ मिनिमम ऑफ 44 पन्ना, 46 पन्ना होगा इसका. देख लीजिए. दिस इज एन अहिंसा सिल्क एरी सिल्क शॉल. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी क्लासी. जी हाँ, ये शॉल है. दिस इज द शॉल एंड दिस इज फॉर 7,500. इसका प्राइस जैसा है आपको चीज भी वैसा ही मिलेगा. इट विल बी वार्म एंड यू कैन गिफ्ट इट टू somebody who really really values this, or you can keep it for yourself. देखिए मेरे से भी लंबा है ये. देख लीजिए, ये इतना सुंदर है मैं बता नहीं सकती आपको. दिस इज द शॉल का डिजाइन. 7500. दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट विच यू विल नॉट गेट. बाहर जगह आपको मिलेगा नहीं ये. अच्छा, अभी एरी सिल्क के साड़ीज दिखाऊं या आपको मैं तसर सिल्क के साड़ीज दिखाऊं? बताइए. इट्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट लाइफ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम, आई प्रॉमिस. लेकिन आप लोग मेरे से बातें करोगे तभी. एरी सिल्क का शॉल आपने देख लिया है. दिस इज लाइक हेवनली. एरी सिल्क, द फर्स्ट, द एक्सक्लूसिव काजीरंगा एरी सिल्क साड़ी. बाद में मत बोलिएगा, मैंने एक्सक्लूसिव पहले दिखा दिया है. दिस इज अ टर्मरिक डाइड, वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल एक्सक्लूसिव अहिंसा सिल्क का काजीरंगा साड़ी. देख लीजिए कितना काम है. देख लीजिए. विथ एरी सिल्क यार्न, अहिंसा सिल्क के यार्न में ऑन अहिंसा सिल्क नेचुरली डाइड फैब्रिक किया गया है. देखिए इंट्रिकेसी देखिए काम का. It is one of the most beautiful sarees you will get in Ahimsa silk. This is in a natural yellow turmeric dye wala. This is the motif in the body. And amazing, na? Thank you, Renu ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Usha Rani ma'am. Thank you so much. This is your sari. आज बहुत यूनिक प्रोडक्ट्स लाई हूं. मिस करेंगे अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो. मैं पहले ही डिस्क्लेमर दे के बैठी हूं. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. ठीक है. दिस इज फॉर 13,200, 13,200 फ्री शिपिंग ऑल ओवर भारत, वोवन बॉर्डर के साथ। दिस इज योर अहिंसा सिल्क साड़ी, ब्यूटिफुल, बटर सॉफ्ट, सुपर कंफर्टेबल एंड ऑल्सो ये एक ऐसे कलर में है जो कि आप हल्दी के फंक्शन में या संगीत, हल्दी, मेहंदी कहीं भी पहन सकते हैं। एंड दिस इज वेरी वेरी क्लासी। ऑल राइट, नेक्स्ट इज दिस ब्लैक ब्यूटी with a red selvage, black beauty with a red selvage. This is your pallu with the Dimasa design, horse के ऊपर Dimasa warrior with his weapons guarding the LOC, उन लोग का जो LOC था वो। थैंक यू सपना मैम, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड पूरा का पूरा डिपिक्ट किया गया है ये, दैट इज द डिपिक्शन ऑफ द पल्लू। This is your border, woven border with a red selvage and ये flower बूटाज है पूरा का पूरा साड़ी में। This is the साड़ी, very 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 beautiful. This also is for 13200, 13200 में this is an amazing 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 साड़ी. In case you want, you can WhatsApp us on 7595959055 and this will be yours. All right. मैं कुछ साड़ीज आज सिंस एरी सिल्क दिखा रही हूं। आज कुछ साड़ीज हम लोग डिस्काउंट में देंगे। रेशमा मैम नमस्कार, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। कुछ साड़ीज हम लोग आज डिस्काउंट में देंगे। Ahimsa Silk by Ahimsa Silk in a never before price. As I said earlier, आप लोग सब लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे, you all were asking me why I do not give discount in Ahimsa Silk sarees. Firstly, Ahimsa Silk साड़ी बनाना हर किसी का बात नहीं है। पार्ट साड़ी तो फिर भी आप लोग मुझे बोलोगे तो बना दो, बना दूंगी, लेकिन Ahimsa Silk साड़ी बनाना हर किसी की बस की नहीं है। एंड इतना बारीकी का काम है दैट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी ऑल्सो टू मेक द एग्जैक्ट कलर, एग्जैक्ट डिजाइन, बिकॉज नेचुरल डाइड है। नेचुरल डाइड में थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर आएगा। आई हैव स्पिनिच डाइड साड़ीज, दोनों अलग अलग ग्रीन है, ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है बट अलग अलग ग्रीन है। यू विल रंजनी मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आज डिस्काउंटेड जो अहिंसा सिल्क साड़ीज हैं, द वंस दैट आर ऑन डिस्काउंट, आई एम शोइंग देम टू यू। नंबर 1, नंबर 2, अनन्या मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। মই হ্যান্ডস্পান এখনে ওলাইছে, মই সেইখন লৈ আনিছো, আপোনাক দেখুৱাম আকৌ এবাৰ। नंबर 2, these are on discount. नंबर 2, एक एक साड़ी का एक एक कलर दे रही हूं। नंबर 3, नंबर 4, ये प्राइसेस आपको दोबारा नहीं मिलेंगी। एंड नंबर 5, Number 5, exact color as seen on your screen. Number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. I will show you number 1. Number 1, on request, I am showing iska fall and picot will be done by me. 2, 3 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. This is number 1. It's a lovely green, very very beautiful with dyed airy silk thread. The weaving has been done. The design yarn is dyed airy silk thread. This is a red selvage. This is a woven border. and these are the flowers in the body. Super duper soft, very very comfortable. Just wear it with a red blouse, it will look all the more stunning. Or put a red piping if you like piping, then this is the blouse piece. You can put a red piping and stitch it, get it stitched. Okay, this is the sari. Yes, texture is like super amazing, very rustic and very very classy. Those who like Eri silk sarees are a different class altogether. This is the sari. There goes sari number 1. This is the blouse piece. Number 2. They really. This is the blouse piece. This is all weaving. This is not a defect. Please note, ये सारे जो weaving जानते हैं, हैंडलूम के बारे में जानते हैं, only they will know about it. This is your super duper beautiful, also number 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I will show. 1 I have showed. I will tell you, Usha Rani ma'am. This is a very beautifully woven. इतना सारा weaving है ना, तो this is your pallu. Look at the extensive pallu. This is royal blue, maroon, green and ahimsa silk thread. And this is your border. And this is the design. This is not the defect. मैं एकदम बारीकी से intricately आपको दिखा रही हूँ, so that you do not have any qualms. I do not want any sari to go to you and for you, any of you to feel bad. क्योंकि आप सब हैं तो हम हैं. This is the beautiful pallu. This is the look. Very very beautiful sari this is. This is your blouse piece. Okay, and this is number 2. Discount price है तो discount price है. Number 3 indigo वाला का, this is the blouse piece. And this is your sari. Very very beautiful. This is very very beautiful. Trust me. Shweta ma'am, namaste. Thank you so much for joining. I received your parcel. आपको क्लोज अप दिखा रहे हो. This is the border, completely woven. Okay, and this is the dyed ahimsa silk thread ka weaving star buta. Hello hello, this is your pallu. Pallu देखिए कितना intricate है. नाज़नीन मैम नमस्कार, thank you for joining. नमस्ते. This is your sari. This is the sari. I've shown the blouse piece. This goes. Amrita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Number 4. Next is number 4. See, this green and that green is different. So that's what I was telling about natural dyes. This is the pallu in a very nice coral pink. This is the woven border. These are the buttas in the body. This is non-sheen, absolutely muted, very very super comfortable, soft, vegan, cruelty-free silks. They are called ahimsa silks for a reason. We call it Eri silk here. This is the sari ka pallu. This is how it looks. Yes, you already are free to book that with me. I have always told you. I'll also feel nice. It'll feel like I'm receiving salary. This is the blouse piece. Okay, there goes number 4. Char. Number 4 matlab, yeah, 4, and this is the 5th one. This is a very, very nice color, jamuni sort of a color with a red selvage, and this is dyed Ahimsa silk ka yarn, woven border, Aranai border. This is the pallu. This is your pallu, and this is your flower buttas in the body. Okay, this is the sari. Very, very, very beautiful. And this is the sari. Here you go. This is your blouse. For today, these are for 12,200, free shipping all over Bharat. This is your last sari on discount. This is a mustard yellow sort of a color. This has been done with marigold and a part of some parijat dye also, along with turmeric. So, to enhance the color, to make it darker. This is your pallu in green and Ahimsa silk. This is your border. This is the selvage. And this is the Tora Buta, Star Buta. This is a very, very lovely color. 12,200. Flat 1,000 rupees discount. This is the sari. And because today is daddy's birthday, that is why there's this. So dashing December तो आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही dashing हो गया, because I have given so many discounts, so much of discount in sarees. Okay, these are your normal 13,200, 13200, 13200, 13200. The Lal Eri is on discount. This Lal Eri is on discount. This Lal Eri is on discount. If anybody wants it, quickly tell me. I will show. Does anyone want to see the Lal Eri which is on discount? Or we have 1, 13,200. 2, 13,200, 3, 13,200. This Lal Eri, this is the blouse piece. This is the weaving work. Lal Eri I am showing. Ananya ma'am, apuni ase juti abar koboson. If you're there, just say hi, hello, something. Please comment, then I will show the handspun Eri silk again. This is your Lal Eri, a very, very beautiful mix of colors. This is your border. मैं एकदम close-up दिखा रही हूँ. This is your body ka star buta. We sell these. Swapna ma'am is here. A lot of you who are watching us, you have our Lal Eri sarees. They are 14,700. This one today is for, guess the price. Guess the price. Quickly, quickly. This one today is for 12,800. I've shown, ma'am. I will show. Yeah, I'll show the other also. 12,800. One-time deal. Full payment. Quickly make the booking. 7595959 055 is your number that you'll have to message on. Okay, 13,200 ka. This is the blouse piece. It's a lovely yellow. This is the yellow, exact yellow. In case you want the sari, do let me know because it's on heavy discount. Today is the 15th. Today is my dad's birthday, so that is why I am super excited and we went out the whole day. We did a very unconventional birthday party today. We went to Kualkusi, we spent the time with our weavers. My dad had a great time. We celebrated with them. We took lots of goodies from Guwahati and we had a great time today. And I reached late, that is why we had to start the live late. Archana ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. This is the pallu. This is the pallu. This is your woven border, multicolor border, green, blue, red and eri silk. These are the bootas. Okay, this is the boota in the body. Clotilda ma'am, namaste. Hello, thank you so much for joining. And this is your sari. This is a very nice one. I like it. Personally, I like this one because of the pallu ka work. Because of the pallu. It's very nice. Meenakari has been done so perfectly, I cannot tell you. So this is your Ahimsa silk sari. 13,200. It's about 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. You planning to come kya? I'll take you to our looms. All right. The next one is this beautiful one, and this is how it looks. With the Bisoni motifs, this is how it looks. Okay, this is a very beautiful one. This is a super duper beautiful one. Okay, and this is the body ka boota. Very pretty green with particularly मेरे को क्यों पसंद है क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ ये 2 कलर्स ही हैं. This makes it very classy. Bharti ma'am, namaskar. So this is for 13,200. This is the blouse piece. Ranjani ma'am, I hope you can see this. I hope you're watching. Hello Bharti ma'am. Thank you so much. This is your beautiful indigo dyed sari. This is a very classy looking sari. A lot of people tell me that this is the best. Hi Pinky ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Thanda kene porise baru dulia jano. Apni dulia jano na thake jano. Very traditionally woven. This is the pallu with dyed ahimsa silk yarn. This is the border. This is the red selvage, and this is your Veena ma'am. Namaskar. Thank you for joining. You are not added in my broadcast. That is why I always forget to add you in my broadcast. So if you want to be added, just message me. I will add you in my broadcast. This is the sari, a very very classy one. A lot of you prefer this combination, and with the red blouse, it look all the more super. This is the blouse piece. 13,200 for this. Now I'll show Ananya ma'am. Apuni jodi ase hi hello kiba ta likhi diok na. Okay. Oh, what thanda bhai? It's very cold in Guwahati also this time. It's never this cold in Guwahati, you know. It's very very cold in Guwahati also this time. Okay, let me know if Ananya ma'am is there, then I will show. Okay, you can. Should I? This indigo. Do you like this indigo? Ranjani ma'am, you can message us with a screenshot. Which indigo you want, I will give it to you. Oh, hello. Ria buli monot ase mor de. Ria monot ase. Both of you, hello from Gayatri Mahi, Pooja Mahi. Okay. Now tell me if I should show the hand spun eri once more, or we can move to the next set. 12,500 ke woven border tassars I have two very exclusive, super duper exclusive. Okay, indigo, I got it. Have you taken the screenshot, ma'am? Okay. Now tell me, should I show the two exclusive first? नहीं, exclusive पहले नहीं दिखाती हूँ. ये है एक तसर सिल्क साड़ी भयंकर डिस्काउंट में, one time payment. I will give it in a never before price. जरी के साथ है. One exclusive, ये border stitched है, no doubt, but super duper beautiful साड़ी this is. With eri silk thread का काम. This I have, and I have a very pretty combination wala part silk sari. This is a part silk sari. Kanchan ma'am, namaskar. Thank you for joining. Now tell me, should I show the Lolo? Lolo, hi. Thank you so much for watching us. Pooja Mahi loves you. God bless you. May Ma Kamakha always keep blessing you. ভালকে পঢ়িবা দে আৰু গুৱাহাটী আহিলে মাহিক লগ ধৰিবা. I will show the part silk sari. Okay. This is a super duper amazing, beautiful. ये देखिए, this is the color. I hope this color is. Thank you बेटा. This is क्या कलर बोलेंगे इसको? It's a very nice peachish color. ये तो कलर और भी नहीं आता. This is the color. ये exact कलर आ रहा है मेरे स्क्रीन पे तो आ रहा है. Can you see? It's a peach toned color. Very very pretty. इसमें ऑरेंज वॉर्ट में सिल्वर मारा है, इसी के लिए ऐसा है. Now do I I don't know if I'm. This is the color. It's not white, it's peachish, peach color. Light peach, very faint light peach. This is the blouse piece with yellow. This is bright yellow. This is a dual tone. कुछ ऐसे चीजें बनाते हैं हम लोग. I myself don't know why. Neerja ma'am, namaskar. Thank you for joining. दिस इज द वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल पल्लू इन ब्राइट येलो. ये कलर ब्राइट नहीं आ रहा है बट इट इज एक्चुअली वेरी ब्राइट येलो. दिस इज ब्राइट येलो. एग्जैक्टली यही कलर येलो है. वेरी ब्यूटिफुली डन पल्लू लोटा डिजाइन में, क्लाइंबर क्रीपर डिजाइन में. आई डोंट लाइक द वर्ड क्रीपर, आई लाइक क्लाइंबर. दिस इज द गॉस बूटा एंड दिस इज द बूटा इन द बॉडी. इसमें मैं आपको वॉर्प एंड वेफ्ट दिखा देती हूँ. ये क्रीम कलर मारा गया है ऑन ऑरेंज कलर वॉर्प. ओके, दिस इज द साड़ी. अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वन. दिस इज योर लुक. इसमें आप येलो पहने ये जरूरी नहीं है. इस साड़ी का ब्लाउज पहने ये भी जरूरी नहीं है. बहुत बहुत सुंदर है. This is for 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat. 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat. 10,000 free shipping all over Bharat में. This is a very unique saree, very very pretty. This is your border. Harini ma'am, namaskar. You always have the best blouses. This is grey blouse, grey blouse, grey blouse. So I don't have grey. में something I have. This I have probably. This is a light faint grey. This is a very nice mekhela sador. This is the sari. It's a no zari Mulberry by Mulberry silk sari. With only thread work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work it's got. मैं आपके लिए ना ये नेचुरल कलर है. ये सिल्वरिश वाइट है. ग्रेइश वाइट. ठीक है. दिस इज द वेफ्ट का धागा. देख लीजिए. ओके, सो दैट इज फॉर 10,000 फ्री शिपिंग. दिस इज अ सुपर डुपर ब्यूटिफुल साड़ी. इसमें दिस इज अ वेरी 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 क्लासी साड़ी. दिस इज टॉस बाय टॉस, टसर बाय टसर with golden zari, ahimsa silk thread, and this also is dyed ahimsa silk thread. See, अरे grey में. Okay, this is the pallu. It's a super duper exclusive. This is the border. This is the border. Body में ये देखें, this is the buta. Very beautiful, very very classy. Pallu I will show you now. This is the pallu. Yeah, me too. My favorite combination. This is the Hinkha Buta with the Mayur and the lions. This is the Pallu. This is a super duper beautiful. इसमें gold है लेकिन gold is not predominant. The Eri silk का जो yarn का काम किया गया है, the designing has been done with Ahimsa silk yarn and that is the predominant design yarn used. तीनों में, ग्रे में भी, गोल्डन जरी में भी, गोल्डन गुना में भी एंड एरी सिल्क का नेचुरल कलर में यार्न में किया गया है. दिस इज द साड़ी. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी वन. दिस इज वेरी क्लासी. देखिए ना, इतना क्लासी है ना, क्या बताऊं. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. दिस इज सुपर डुपर लव. यू एंड आई can stay in the same house and can and will fight over. If we stay in the same house, we'll fight over the choices, because all our choices are similar. Whatever you like, I also like. This is very, very classic. This is for 12,700. 12700. Now, today is a very auspicious day. Otherwise, also today is Purnima, and it's my dad's birthday. So today I am giving this confession only for this month. You can pay half of the booking amount today. Half. Suppose the sari is for 12,700. You will give me 6,000 minimum. 6,000 you pay, and the rest of the 6,700 you can pay it in the first week of January. So you can book it like that. ऐसा नहीं है कि, लेकिन जनवरी से जो है हम लोग इतने डिस्काउंट्स भी नहीं दे पाएंगे जनवरी से, एंड उस टाइम के लिए हम लोग इंस्टॉलमेंट्स भी कम कर देंगे. व्हाई? बिकॉज Bihu will be coming, Sankranti will be coming. Magh Bihu is our harvest festival, and the weavers will stop working. They'll need a lot of money because their harvest will be out and they will have to celebrate Magh Bihu. So that is why they'll be out by about 10th of January. They'll be out. So before that we'll have to clear all the payments, etc, etc. So इसी के लिए January में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाएगा. February onwards, again we will try our best to give you the best deals. I promise you that. But I am just क्या बोलते हैं उसको, February में I am just telling you because there is no, so that there is no misunderstanding. Ishita Di, hi, thank you so much for joining. Ipshita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is the royal blue and golden. This sari is on super duper discount. This is the border. No, exclusive तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Exclusive. There are mekhela sadors. There are blouse pieces. 2-3 I have blouse piece. Not many. But mekhela sador are there. Discounted भी है कुछ. Bridal mekhela sador is there. एक मेरे पास बहुत ही क्लासिक ग्रे कलर का मेखला सदर है. ग्रे अलर्ट. So I have quite a few things to show. This is royal blue and golden zari. ये one time payment के लिए only one time deal दे रहे हूँ. Next time if you order this sari, you will get this sari for not less than 13,000. मैं अभी बता के रख रही हूँ so that there is no misunderstanding. This airy silk and grey na, super it is. This is the border. These are the buttas in the body. These are the buttas in the body in royal blue and gold. This is your palla. This is your pallu. Okay. And blouse piece is this. We sell this for 12,700 on a one-time discount. I repeat, only and only for today. Only and only for today. I will give this away. 15th है आज. That is for 12,700. 12700. आज 15th है. Today is Daddy's birthday. Daddy dearest का birthday है. 12,700 minus, I was doing the calculation because I am very weak in maths. All of you know, those who know me well, they all know that I do not keep any hisab kitab. Whatever you tell me, guys, Pooja, I have to give you 10,000 rupees. I will say, okay ma'am, please give. But I will never question you because I do not like keeping hisab kitab. That's not my cup of tea. Okay, so this is 12,700 minus 15%. That's for 10,795. One time discount. Fall, picot, tassels, everything. Fall, picot, tassels, everything I will do. Borders have already been done. I will do the fall, picot, tassels. And this is how the sari will look. 10,795. One time discount. पूरा का पूरा 15% डिस्काउंट. 15% डिस्काउंट. आर यू, आई कैनॉट टेल यू. ओके, 12,500 के वोवन बॉर्डर वाले तसर दिखाऊं या एक्सक्लूसिव वाले 2 तसर्स हैं मेरे पास, वो वाला दिखा लेती हूं. अदरवाइज इफ यू गो टू स्लीप यू विल रियली मिस. दिस ब्लू, रॉयल ब्लू एंड गोल्डन वन was for 12,700. Today on a one-time discount it's for 10,795. दिखाऊं एक्सक्लूसिव दिखाऊं? Do you want me to show the exclusives first? Swapna ma'am, do not, just hold on. It's coming. Exclusive one I will show now, and hold on to your bed or something, table leg or something. Okay. Yes, because I will tell you why. Exclusives for you. A tribal weave. This is tasar with black, and this is tasar with bluish gray or grayish blue, whatever you call it. This is blue basically. This is the color. Now you tell me whether it beats that one or not. Okay, showing number 2 first. Here is your blouse piece. Swapna ma'am has to tell me whether it beats the zero starch, zero zari. This is your blouse piece. Bow and arrow. Pepper, trumpet, lion. This is the jakoi, the fish catching net, basket net. Look at this. This is the fish net. You can see I am showing you every single detail. Thank you for the love and likes. This saree definitely deserves all of it. ये arrogance नहीं है, ये मतलब मैं ही appreciate कर रही हूँ. Look at the weaving. This is only the blouse piece, okay? And here is the saree. Woven border as you all like it. This is the woven border. है ना? एकदम zero starch, super duper soft. And this is your pallu. I have shown. This is a very beautiful tribal design में woven. काम देखिए कितना बारीक है. मैं आपको रिवर्स इसलिए नहीं दिखाती, मैं आपको रिवर्स इसीलिए दिखाती हूँ so that you know how intricate and how निखुट बोलते हैं ना, flawless the work is. This is the बर्फी motif in the body. आप बताइए अभी this saree is, this is the saree. क्या चाहिए और क्या चाहिए बता दीजिए मुझे. This is when you drape this ना, this will be so classy. I cannot begin to tell you. ये इतना classy साड़ी है एंड जीरो स्टार्च में इतना कंफर्टेबल. ऑल ऑफ यू हैव आवर जीरो स्टार्च साड़ीज. दीज आर सुपर डुपर एक्सक्लूसिव. दीज आर फॉर 14,000 बट वी आर गिविंग दिस ऑन डिस्काउंट टुडे. आज सब कुछ डिस्काउंट में दे रही हूँ. आपको पता है मैं कैसी हूँ. सो आज पूर्णिमा सेल बोल लीजिए या पिताजी का बर्थडे का सेल बोल लीजिए, लेकिन ये आज डिस्काउंट में है. अदरवाइज दिस फॉर 14,000. द नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ साड़ीज विल बी फॉर 14,000 फ्लैट, एंड दिस इज फॉर टुडे फॉर 13,200. 13200 13200 जीरो स्टार्च वाले. वेरी वेरी क्लासिक. दिस इज माय फेवरेट, एंड यू नो व्हाई. Tussar with black, or for that matter Muga with black also looks the classiest. मतलब most classy अगर कुछ है तो ये है ना. This is terrific. No Bharti ma'am, really this is super duper. This black one is मतलब मैं फिदा हो गई. This is the motif in the body. This is your border woven. This is your beautiful aanchal. This is one पूरा का पूरा woven aanchal है. This was khondo means क्या बोलते हैं, part by part weaving, double aanchal style में. That's the only difference between these two. Look at the intricacy. ना, this is your look. लेकिन इसका ब्लाउज है ये, उसका ब्लाउज भी है अलग, इसका ब्लाउज है ये. दिस इज for 13,500. Otherwise you will get it for 13,500 later. For today this is for 12,500. 12,500. 12,500 plus shipping. 12,700. 12,700 for this beauty. ये हम लोगों ने पहले बनाया था. The weaver has made this blouse, so I told him in the blouse also I need that work only, pallu wala work only. So the next one is made after that. So we made only two for now. This is the difference. That one, this one has this blouse piece, this one has this. So you can choose the other one or this one. Only 2 pieces, exclusive, zero starch, zero zari, beautiful Tussar by Tussar silk sarees, toss by toss. These are also zero starched. Number 1, 12,500 instead of 12,700 today. Number 2, number 3. Thank you. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. This is, so I have these 6 sarees. Zero starched with zero zari woven borders, toss by toss, Tussar by Tussar silks. One mekhela sador today I am going to give on super duper discount. This is a dyed Tussar, कोला toss बोलते हैं इसको. This is the dyed tasar silk in grey color. I will show one. This is the mekhela. It's a plain one, super duper classy. This is the blouse. If I have to show, please tell me, I will show. Okay, number one. Number one, tasar, zero starch. I will show that. Super it is. Acha, I forgot to tell in the last live when I was showing dyed tasar silk mekhla sador. Dyed tasar silk. आप एक बार if you have a धोबी who मतलब if you have a guy who does the istri, then you can tell him to do the istri. Washerman who does the istri, you can tell him to do the istri because they have this kadak istri iron. You can tell him to Iron Man to iron it properly. Iron Man. Okay, to iron it properly. Then you wear it. I forgot to give you this tip. Then you wear it and then you come and tell me. It becomes lovely to drape. It becomes lovely to drape. I forgot to tell you last time when I was selling these mekhela sador. Okay, this is the pallu. In ahimsa silk, pura ka pura. This is the border and this is the flower buta in the body. Okay, this is your super duper soft toss by toss silk sari, zero starch, absolutely flowy. This is your blouse piece. 12500. Yeah, very very classy. मैं ऐसे ही आपको एक राउंड खोल के दिखा रही हूं so that you know how it looks like. In case you want to see more, I will definitely show. This is number 2. Red, green and yellow के साथ. This is your very lovely border and these are the flower motifs in the body. Number 2. This is your blouse piece for number 2. Number 3, this is the blouse piece. अगर आप लोग को देखना है तो बता दीजिएगा. I'll be more than glad to oblige. This is the number 3 toss by toss silk, tasar by tasar silk sari. This is the sari. Okay, number 3. In case you want me to show this, please let me know. I will be more than glad. Number 4 is on discount. ये कभी ना मिलने वाला डिस्काउंट पे है. Only number 4. In case you want to know what price is number 4 or you want me to show it, I will definitely. Number 5 का blouse piece is this. And number 5 looks somewhat like this. Number 4 is very pretty. Number 5 na kya? Number 5. I really like this one. It's colorful, no doubt. Not really as per my usual conventional liking, but somehow I like this sari. This is the sari. Number 5. Number 6. Blouse piece. This is with red and black. Number 6 तो मैं दिखाई देती हूँ. Number 6 I love. Red and black woven arnai border. And the pallu I love. This is the pallu. Flower buttas all over, and this is your pallu. Woven border 12,500. Okay, मेरे पास ना 2-4 ऑप्शंस है ब्लाउज के. If anyone wants a white and gold Mulberry by Mulberry silk blouse or a blue and gold, blue, gold and royal blue and magenta pink. Okay, I have 2 such pieces. ये मेखला सदौर था, मैंने किसी के लिए बनाया था, लेकिन इसका जो मेखला है वो बन ही नहीं पाया. ऐसा कभी कभी होता है. आई रियली बिलीव दिस. ओके, एंड आई हैव फाउंड इन्यूमरेबल एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ दिस. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जब हम किसी के लिए कुछ बनाते हैं, वो अगर मेरे भाग में नहीं है, सपोज आई ऑर्डर फॉर समथिंग एंड इफ इट इज नॉट इन माई किस्मत, इट विल नेवर कम टू मी. इट विल नेवर एवर कम टू मी. इसका वॉर्पिंग खत्म हो गया, फिर कुछ हुआ, ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ. फाइनली द मेखेला, आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, 2-3 times I tried, the mekhela didn't get made only. So, and now I cannot risk it because these are handloom products. Handloom में I cannot tell you that hoobahu exact piece बनेगा. Even in my Shefali sarees, same color, same weaver, same yarn, same mulberry silk, everything is same. But still one and the second one is not absolutely identical. तो I have this sador dyed एरी सिल्क का yarn से किया गया है, देख लीजिए, on tasar woven border, and this is the blouse piece. This will go as a set. And I have this mekhela. I have this mekhela and the blouse piece. इसका भी सादौर क्या हुआ, कोई ऑफलाइन मतलब वॉक इन कस्टमर आए थे, तो उनको कुछ और पसंद आ गया रेड में. So she took the red mekhela and she took the red blouse. Okay, and she left this and tasar mekhela, tasar sador she took. So they had a dress code, some local only, some school function they have, annual function. They have a dress code, lal mekhela and tasar silk ka sador. तो लाल मेखला, लाल ब्लाउज, तसर सिल्क का सादौर. ओहो अमृता, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. हैप्पी बिलेटेड बर्थडे माय डियर. लाल सादौर ले गई, सॉरी मेखला ले गई, एंड तसर सिल्क का सादौर ले गई, एंड लाल ब्लाउज ले गई. सो आई दिस इज द मेखला. How you can use them is totally up to you. You can use this. I'll tell you how much is there. About, this is unstitched, it will go as it is to you. Okay, there is about 2 point some meters, 2.2 or some meters, so you can use it just like that only. See, this is, it is very very new, that is why it's making this rumbling sound, but it is not as difficult to manage. I'm telling you, this is just acting pricey. This is the Thank you so much for joining. This is the mekhela. ये मेखला में आप कुर्ता बना सकते हैं इसका. I'll give you the width. 1 minute में I'll give you the width. You can make a kurta out of this. Mekhalas make very good kurta, especially tasar mekhla. (36 width का है ये. 36 width का है. This is for 36 width, and this is the mekhela का bottom parts. Okay, in orange, green, black and red. This is the ऊपर वाला हिस्सा. Till your knees, this flower will be there. 3 flowers. 3 flower है ये. ऐसा होगा. So if you make a kurta, it will be till here. Okay, so this is the mekhela. and this is your blouse piece. Blouse piece is this. This is your blouse piece, and this you get both of this as a set for 4,500 rupees. 4500. Both of these will come with a silk mark. The next one I am showing, this is not a woven border, this is a stitched border. My bad that I said it is woven. It will come with a silk mark. This is the sador. Very, very beautiful sador this is. This is the work in the sador. देख लीजिए. Okay, this is the work in the sador. This is the stitched border. And this is the flower in the body with dyed ahimsa silk in brown. This is a tasar pe brown color ka काम. This is how it looks. This is the sador. And this is your blouse piece. Yeah, beige and beige also, beige and brown also. I told you. This is a blouse piece. Theli meli guise re. This is your blouse piece. Okay, this is also available for 4,500 free shipping all over Bharat. Tanote lahake tani bide mo bag ase laptop bag. 4,500 free shipping all over Bharat. Very, very beautiful 2 sets, and these I am giving off for, these are blouse pieces. I will give you the measurements shortly. These are for 1,000 rupees each. This is the blouse piece. Okay, 4,500 rupees का है ये. अच्छा, ये अगर किसी को देखना है तो birthday boy just went out to drop Rishabh. He came back just now. আসেনি কি ড্যাডি মাটি দিবাচোন. This is the sador. और पूरा का पूरा woven beautifully a contrast mekhela. Mekhela भी super duper heavy in yellow, and the blouse piece is getting made. This is the mekhela. मेखला देखिए इधर तक है, और सादोर का तो क्या कहना है. तो बुस्ट में बुला ही लो ना. उलाई लो तो जापी भी पिसो पट्टी तो पाई ली ना उलाई लो. ओके, तो नाउ आपको अगर डिस्काउंटेड मेखला सदौर देखने हैं तो पहले शुरू करते हैं. Okay, break from mekhla sador and sarees today. Birthday boy here.
Hello.
Namaste.
Hello.
This is my 78-year-old boy. He turned 78 today. He is called Mr. Padmo Borua. He is my father. Today is his birthday, so it is birthday special. We went to Khwalkusi. We celebrated with our viewers. Today we had a nice time, no, Daddy?
Yeah. I
okay.
Enjoy.
You enjoy?
Yeah, very much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. He's a man of few words. My brother also is a man of few words. I only keep pachek. Thank you so much, Swapna ma'am. Amruta, thank you so much. Renu ma'am, thank you. Thank you. तो मैं break ले ली थोड़ा सा. Yes, Rishabh looks like him only. Rishabh is a little fair. He is a little darker. That's all. This is. Thank you, Ishita Di. Thank you so much, Kanchan ma'am. This is on discount. Bright orange with gold lavender. मेखला सदर अब क्या दिखाऊं आप लोग को. मेखला सदर तो आप देख चुके हैं. मैं सिर्फ डिस्काउंटेड वाले आप लोग को दिखा देती हूँ. बहुत अच्छे वाले हैं लेकिन डिस्काउंट पे है. दिस इज नंबर 2. मॉव कलर विथ ब्राइट पिंक एंड सिल्वर. दिस इज फेंट ब्लू, आइस ब्लू विथ फिरोजी ब्लू एंड गोल्ड. And this is a yellow peach mixed dual tone with copper zari and silver zari. ये चारों आज हम डिस्काउंट में दे रहे हैं. And this is the one on discount also. This is like a ruby pink color. Asha ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. Ruby pink color with copper zari and with silver zari. Number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. बताइए कौन सा दिखाऊं. Tell me. अच्छा, Amruta is here. This one I am giving for 10,795. By the way, 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Number 2 is this beautiful one. Really, kya? This one you want? Arey, I showed 2 very exclusive Tasar silk sarees. You check first, then I will tell you. This is the mauve color sador. These are the borders, silver zari and magenta. Amrita, I will show you something. Wait. Ekon desun. This is the blouse piece, 4 lines. And this is your sador. Pallu. Okay, this is the sador. This is the mekhela. हल्के को इतना एकदम माथा ठीक रहे. This is the okay. This is the mekhela. This is for a super duper price tonight. Only and only for 8,800. Unbelievable price. Quickly grab it. 8800. This for the people who are joining us now. This is an Eri silk gale from Arunachal Pradesh. Hand woven completely like everything else that we make. This also is hand woven. This is the gale. Okay. This is your Arunachal Pradesh design में अरुणाचली गाले in pure Ahimsa silk. Ahimsa silk by Ahimsa silk. This will come with a silk mark. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece. In case you want it, do let me know. This is for 5,500. This is the gully. This is the motif, hand woven motif. And दोनों sides में ये है. Okay, 5500. अच्छा, I have a sari जिसका वीविंग तो बहुत खराब हुआ है. I will tell you. Aparna ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. This is it's heavy only. Nail polish color में red. इसका weaving ठीक नहीं हुआ है. मैं सच बात बोल के always I am, people who know me, you all know me very well. I will always tell you because इसका loose weaving हुआ है. As you can see, there are thread misses, couple of thread misses. This sari was supposed to be for 12,000 rupees. Just check. कुछ इधर thread miss हुए हैं, weave misses हुए हैं, knots हुए हैं. तो this is the sari. पूरा का पूरा बड़ा बड़ा बूटा है पूरे बॉडी में. These are the borders. रेड में येलो. दीज आर द बॉर्डर्स. मैं अभी से आपको बता के रख रही हूं. दैट इज वाई दे आर सोल्ड एट दिस प्राइस. द ब्लाउज इज प्रीटी वेल मेड. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. यू ऑल नो मी. आई विल नॉट लाई एंड डू एनीथिंग. मैं ये रख दूंगी, अपने पास रख दूंगी, खुद पहनूंगी, लेकिन आई विल नॉट लाई फॉर द सेल टू हैपन. We very simple people. We prefer keeping it simple and straight. You have seen mummy, you have seen daddy. So I am the showroom of that godown only. So this is the pallu. Very beautifully done with red and yellow. Only thing is this sari has a few weaving defects. Defects भी नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन I don't like the look of it. That's all. इसमें लूम में वो जो ब्लैक थ्रेड में, ब्लैक यार्न में, ब्लैक मलबरी सिल्क यार्न में मारा है. सो देर आर सम वीविंग डिफेक्ट्स लाइक दिस. वीव मिस हुआ है. No, it's okay. Don't be silly. For some things that you do for me, this is nothing. This is the sari. It will go fully stitched to you. This is for 8500. One time payment है. 8500 में ये साड़ी आप कहीं से भी लाके दिखा दो मेरे को, गुड कंडीशन वाला, मैं मान जाऊंगी. This is साड़ी नंबर 1. क्योंकि हमारा ब्लैक वर्क में दोनों साइमल्टेनियसली बन रहा था. I have another sari with the same problem. At least I think it's a problem. Blouse piece. I showed. Hey, mekhela aru blouse piece to anson. Sasun. Tosor. Yate asli table on. Hetu no ho. गोल्डन कलर. टॉस का मेखला सदर एंड मेखला एंड ब्लाउज पीस. और এই মাত্র আহি পাইছে, এই জাস্ট আহি পাইছে, কামত লগাই দিছো, এই মাত্র আহি পাইছে. দিস ইজ योर रेड में पिंक, रेड एंड बेबी पिंक, नियॉन पिंक सॉर्ट ऑफ कलर. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. These are your borders. Arpita ma'am, thank you so much for joining. These are your borders. Again, this is your pallu. This is in pink and red. This is how the look is. Nail polish color में दोनों. I perceived it. देखिए ऐसा होता है ना. I perceived it also अलग से. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है experiments do not become successful. Not all our experiments are successful. कलर इधर उधर हो जाता है. हैंडलूम का बात है, मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकती. This is the look of this sari that has yellow minakari. Oh, it will again. This has pink minakari in red. इसमें भी कुछ कुछ weaving defects है. So this also we are letting go for 8,500. Instead of this when I make it again, if you order and it is proper, I will make it again obviously. मैं थोड़ी मानने वाली हूँ. So it will be a minimum of 12,500 or it could be a little more also. इधर उधर. This is the sari. 8,500. If हम रुको ना फोटो तो लगेगा immediate. अच्छा ये ब्लाउज पीस है गोल्ड विथ. शुभा मैम थैंक यू सो मच. स्वाति मैम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. For those of you who do not wear mekhla sador, you can watch the recorded live. I just showed an Arunachali Eri silk gale. तो पाइसो ने मैसेज तो हाँ नकली देखो कोनिका. This is the blouse piece, golden zari, red, green, black, सारे colors है, orange. Okay, and this is your mekhela. 36 width का सूट भी बना सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज द मेखेला. আৰু ইটো ওৱান টছৰ লগত ব্ৰাউন কালাৰ, এনেকুৱা ব্ৰাউন কালাৰ আছে. সেইটো চাদৰ আৰু ব্লাউজ আছে. হা প্ৰীতি মেম থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফৰ ওয়াচিং. দিস ইজ উইথ গ্ৰীন, ৰেড, অৰেঞ্জ এণ্ড ব্লেক. ওকে, this is your mekhela. 36 width. Mekhela and blouse piece together are 4500. 4500. Acha, grey color who wanted to see? This is on discount. Mekhela sador with grey thread and red. बताइए. अच्छा 2 तो दिखा दिया. 2, 3, 5 you wanted to see now. Who wanted to see 2, 3 and 5? I'll show the mekhela sador now. This is the mekhela. This is a very nice ice blue. Very very nice ice blue with 38 with golden zari and blue meenakari, surf blue meenakari. This is a super duper color. You wanted to see grey. Okay. You wanted to see grey. Sorry. I'll show after this. Promise. This is again. This is a Kesa part by Kesa part sador. इसका border बहुत ही narrow border है. I'll show the grey. This is the border. इतना तक ही आएगा border. This is a part by Kesa part, a different style, boota style all along. पूरा border में देख लीजिए. This is the boota in gold, zari and blue. But the gold zari has no effect on the beauty of this mekhela sador because this is so beautiful. This is divine beautiful, really. হেৰি বস্তু আনিছনে? মায়ে আনিছেনে? বাবলুদা গৈছিল বোলে আনিলে. This is your blouse piece. देख लीजिए. This is your blouse piece and this is the sador. This is so pretty, my God. I cannot take my eyes off. Only if I show this to my mother, she will say that because she was not there in the loom today, that is why. This is the blue and the golden work. Taposhi ma'am, namaskar. Thank you so much for joining. This is also for 8,800, free shipping all over Bharat today. রং কাটা গেছে ওদের awesome. नंबर कितना है पता नहीं. दिस इज अनदर मेखेला. दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस डुअल टोन येलो विथ पीच विथ कॉपर जरी एंड विथ सिल्वर जरी. गॉस बूटा है बॉडी में. दिस इज द मेखेला. ओके, दिस इज योर मेखेला. 36 to 38 विथ का है. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस. दिस इज द कलर येलो विथ पीच ड्यूअल टोन कॉपर जरी एंड सिल्वर जरी के साथ. बॉर्डर्स दिस इज योर ब्यूटिफुल सादोर. सिल्वर जरी एंड कॉपर जरी में गॉस बूटा. दिस इज योर पल्लू का काम. दिस इज योर वेरी ब्यूटिफुल साडोर. ओके, दिस इज फॉर 8,800. This is another very stunning red warp में dual tone. This is a ruby pink color, very beautiful pink with silver zari and copper zari on super duper discount today. Copper zari and silver zari, beautiful bootas, pallu, borders. এইখিনিতে আসুন তই. বৰ্ডাৰ্ছ পাহৰিলি আৰু ন. दैट्स योर ब्लाउज पीस. ब्लाउज पीस में इतना काम है देखिए. दिस इज योर ब्लाउज पीस कॉपर जरी के साथ. कॉपर जरी के साथ सिल्वर मीनाकरी. मेखेला চাদৰখন দেখালো ন. চাদৰখন দেখাই পেলাই এইখন মেখেলা. দিস ইজ দ্য মেখেলা. very very pretty. 36 to 38 with ka. Taposhi ma'am, thank you so much for joining. This is your mekhela, a very very nice, very beautiful one. This is copper zari with silver zari, super duper one. This is for 7,800. 7800. This is a lovely mekhela again. This is the bright Fanta orange में है ये. This is the mekhela. This is the blouse piece. कोई आना नहीं चाहिए. की हाँ? This is your sador. This is your sador. This is how the look goes. This is how your look goes. This mekhela मेरे हिसाब से this goes well with shorter people. Okay. এইখন মেখেলা দেখোন ব্লুখন দে ले. ये शॉर्ट पीपल के लिए अच्छा होगा. दिस इज ऑन सुपर डुपर डिस्काउंट. बट मैं डिस्क्लेमर दे रही हूं. ये देखिए, ये मेखेला से 1 इंच छोटा है, दूसरे मेखेला से 2 इंच छोटा है. 2 इंच छोटा है. only for short शॉर्टर पीपल, आई एम 5'6", तो मेरे लिए छोटा होगा, शॉर्ट होगा. दिस इज only and only for 6,800, 6800, free shipping all over Bharat. 6800, free shipping all over Bharat. And now I'll show the grey mekhela sador, toss by toss. Hi Meghnaka, thank you so much for joining. This is the very classy grey mekhela sador. Tossor ei boga blouse to je mok dekhaichile matro. এই তাত যে মই যে কৈছিলো সেইখন শাৰীয়ে ব্লাউজ যে এখন নহয়, এখন তই সেইখনটো ব্লাউজ দেখাইছিলি নেকি মোক? This is the dyed tussar with grey and red. This is the coat. Golden or white ase tate, golden, white or grey. This is the sador, this is the border, this is the pallu. It's a super duper plain, but I like this stuff. It looks very very classy, super classy stuff. This is the sador. This is very very beautiful. If it does not go out tonight, I will wear it. In my next live, you will see me wearing it. This is your mekhela, 36 with mekhela. Devika ma'am, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, namaskar, thank you for joining. This is your mekhela ka pallu. And this is your blouse piece. Close up dikha rahi hu. This is your blouse piece, and this is only and only, otherwise we sell this for 8,800. If there is work in the body, this is plain, so labor कम है तो इसका price वैसे ही कम है. This is for 7,800, but today we are giving this on discount. It is only and only for 7,000, free shipping all over Bharat. 7,000 free shipping all over Bharat. Meghnaka, if you like this, let me know. This is a super duper one. Aru ekon de, ekon khari de, ekon aru kola khon de, the piece thoiso. Aru kolar blouse tu dibi. This is a stitched border, grey ahimsa silk thread, khinkha buta, grey normal ahimsa silk virgin color ka yarn, and golden zari. This is the buta in the body. This is your border, and this is your this is your pallu. This is a super duper classy sari, really very very classy. This is the one. 12,700 rupees. Blouse piece. 12,700. अच्छा, मैं एक आज ना I forgot the discounted prices, but you can watch it. I am only going to show the sarees to you. Zero starch tribal weaves with woven border. This is the showstopper which I showed beforehand, so I am just repeating this before ending this live tonight. This is the lions, the basket, the bow and arrow, the Assamese trumpet called the peppa, the jakoi koi, the fish catching basket nets, cane, handmade basket sort of a structure. It is to catch the fish net. This is the fish net, jakoi and the kaoi. It's a set. Then these are the lovely buttas, very intricately done. Okay, this is the double side aanchal. You can see एक इधर है, एक इधर है, एक बीच में है. Can you also show the लाल एरी मेखेला? मेखेला सर और से लाल एरी सा. रुक के सर. Yes. I will show. तलत सा एकदम तलत. लाल एरी मेखेला सदर से सा. This is the butta in the body. This is the woven border. Look at the... Yeah, this is denim blue, grayish blue. As seen on your screen only, exactly same. Beautiful. This is very beautiful. मेरा दिमाग खराब कर दिया इस साड़ी ने. This is the blouse piece. With the same weaves. So much of detailing. This is otherwise all other sarees in this range will be made and they will be charged at 14,000 rupees, 14,000. Today I have given a discount. Okay, but because this was not written and my mom was not there, so वो लोग बाहर गए थे. Daddy and mummy went out on a date. Sort of. Okay, so because वो लोग बाहर गए थे अभी, after we came back, I had to stay back because of the live. And no, you might think that, oh, she didn't go with the parents. No, my mom only told me to do the live. Okay, so that is why I do not know what price I have given it. She told me some price, I forgot, and I have given my own price, so sorry, but you'll have to watch the recorded version of the live to know the price. This is the next one. This is for lesser, even lesser. So this is the blouse. Like the blue one, this does not have the weaving of the aanchal. And this is the sari. Black with tasar is my favorite. You let me choose and I will always choose this than any color. The woven border in black. This is the woven border. This is a continuous pallu. Continuous pallu, unlike the blue one, denim blue one. This is my favorite of today. No, this is so beautiful. I told you, hold on to your horses and let me show these sarees first. Okay, so this is the saree. It's on discount today because this was the first one we made and he made this blouse. Then I told him to make the next one. I told him sky blue, but anyway, I forgive him because he made a really nice shade of blue there. Blue and grayish blue. So this is the first piece. So this one he did not make it. Then the next one he made it proper. And this is the pallu. Tribal weave in toss by toss, zero starch. This is with black. Super duper. This is, just take a screenshot, send it to us on 7595959055. My mom will confirm the price after watching the live. I will also confirm the price. Okay, this is the Ahimsa silk with Muga Ghicha work, Lal Eri Mekhela. Lal Eri Mekhela. This is the Mekhela. 36 width का है ये. Okay. एक ग्रे कोन मोले रखी मजा लगी से. I am telling Romila, I'll keep the grey मेखला सदर. मजा लग रहा है, बढ़िया लग रहा है. This is the sador with the woven border. This is the border with muga ghicha. मैं हमेशा सबको बोलती हूँ, लाल एरी जिसको पसंद आता है उसका थोड़ा सा लाइकिंग अलग है. He or she will never like the bright ones. And I am in two extremes. I love लाल एरी का मुगा घिचा का काम होने तो सोने पे सुहागा, मगर I like unusual bright ones also. Very, very unusual of me to like them, but I like. This is the Sador. And this is the blouse piece. Yes, Zara hatke matlab I to love. This is a bridal style. पूरा का पूरा काम किया गया है. These are sold for 25,000, 26,000. Some people like everything you make. So pay me salary every month, one amount, and just keep buying. Whatever I make, one amount you pay me. I'll also feel nice that I'm working, I'm employed, and instead of paying me at once, you can pay little by little. Every month, little amounts you can pay, so that I feel like, oh wow, I'm still getting a stable salary. Anyway, I go mad. This is the Mekhela Sador, royal blue with gold, surf blue, and hot pink, magenta pink. And this is also a very bright on pink and silver zari on a lovely light sky blue. This is also on discount. These are sold for 25,000 etc. But they are on discount. So in case you want to see, I will show them to you. Or else I am done with today's pricing and everything. Acha, this is on discount. One time full payment. No further discount and no installments on this one. In case you want to see, let me know. This is a navy blue and a fluorescent orange one. Tasar by Tasar silk sari with woven border. Okay. Lal Eri Mekhela Sador is for 11,700. Lal Eri Mekhela Sador is on discount for 11,700 instead of 12,000, not 12,000, 13,200. Mekhela Sador is 13,000 rupees. Okay. And what else we have tonight? This is a set of a sador and a blouse for 4,500. Price. Okay. So this no one wants to see. All right. Then we come to an end of today's live. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार. आप लोग हमें 9 बजे से 9, 10 or 15 I came live, I think. Okay. Eri sarees in today's live only I have shown Aparna ma'am. You can check the recorded live. In some time, once I download the Instagram live, I will upload it on YouTube and share the link. Just message us on 759-5959-055. I have given Eri silk sarees on discount today also. Quite a few of them, na? Today aaj bahut sara discount mein diya. So you can watch the recorded live on Instagram. It keeps jumping. So it's better wait for a while and we will upload the same video on YouTube. Thank you so much for your time. You have a great week ahead. Thank you mummy for joining. All right, thank you. आप सबका बहुत बहुत आभार. रंबा नंदरी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. अनेक धन्यवाद and बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबको आपका टाइम देने के लिए, हमें हमेशा आशीर्वाद और प्यार देने के लिए. थैंक यू. हमेशा ऐसे ही हमारे साथ बने रहिए. बड़ों को मेरा प्रणाम एंड छोटों को मेरा प्यार. Thank you so much once again. Here's Pooja signing off for tonight. Goodbye. Shubhratri. Good night.